Welcome back, traders, to another exciting episode of our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you as we delve into the world of trading. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video will provide you with valuable insights and strategies to help you navigate the markets successfully. So, grab your notepads and let's get started. Hey there, fellow traders. I'm your name, and in today's video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know to become a master in the art of trading. We'll cover essential concepts, proven strategies, risk management, and much more. So, let's kick things off with the basics. Segment 1, Understanding the Basics. Before diving into the complexities of trading, it's crucial to understand the basic terminology and concepts. Let's start with some key terms like stocks, bonds, and commodities. We'll explain what each of these represents and how they fit into the trading landscape. Now that we have a solid foundation, let's move on to the different types of trading strategies that traders commonly employ. Segment 2, Exploring Trading Strategies. Trading strategies play a pivotal role in achieving success in the markets. From day trading to swing trading, there are various approaches you can adopt. Today, we'll take a closer look at a few popular strategies, including trend following, breakout trading, and value investing. Host. Remember, it's essential to choose a strategy that aligns with your risk appetite, time commitment, and trading style. Experimentation and continuous learning are key to finding the strategy that works best for you. Segment 3, The Importance of Risk Management. Trading involves risks, and successful traders understand the significance of risk management. In this segment, we'll discuss risk assessment, setting stop-loss orders, and establishing risk-reward ratios. These measures are crucial for preserving capital and minimizing potential losses. Always remember, it's not about avoiding losses altogether but rather managing them effectively to protect your trading account in the long run. Segment 4, Analyzing Market Trends. Market analysis is a fundamental skill for any trader. In this segment, we'll introduce you to two primary methods of analysis: technical analysis and fundamental analysis. We'll explore how to read charts, identify patterns, and analyze economic indicators to make informed trading decisions. Combining both technical and fundamental analysis can provide a well-rounded understanding of the market and improve the accuracy of your trading predictions. Segment 5, Tips for Successful Trading. As we near the end of our video, here are some valuable tips that can help enhance your trading journey. Continuously educate yourself, stay updated with market news, attend seminars, and read trading books to expand your knowledge. Develop a trading plan. A well-defined plan with clear entry and exit strategies can keep emotions in check and improve consistency. Practice disciplined trading. Avoid impulsive decisions and stick to your predetermined strategies to maintain discipline. Utilize risk management tools. Tools like stop-loss orders and position sizing can mitigate risks and protect your capital. And that wraps up today's episode on mastering the art of trading. We hope you